Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Plant Fanatics. Today we're going to be talking about over-fertilization in your plants, so stay tuned. So, unfortunately in the plant world, a lot of signs that something's going wrong with your plant are going to be the exact same thing. If you're overwatering, it's going to be, yellowing leaves. If you're underwatering, it's going to be drooping, yellowing leaves. If you're under-fertilizing, it's going to be chlorosis of the leaves. If you're over-fertilizing, it's going to be chlorosis of the leaves. It's very difficult to tell. The only way to really know is to stick to a good feeding schedule in your plants. Now, it doesn't matter if you're using a granular fertilizer, a slow-release fertilizer, or a liquid feed. It's going to be very important to stick to a good feeding schedule, and I mean stick to it. Don't go off of the feeding schedule at all. I actually suggest having a little notebook that you write down all of your feeding times, or if you follow my last video, if you haven't seen it already, I'll put a link in the description about how I go about fertilizing my plants. I do a constant liquid feed where I put a diluted liquid feed in my watering can every time I water my plants. Now, with that being said, if you've over-fertilized your plants, I actually made the mistake one time of I decided I was going to go to a constant liquid feed instead of the every 2-week liquid feed. And so what I did was I actually fertilized my plants with the 2-week liquid feed. And then the next time I watered my plants, I started using the diluted form of the constant liquid feed. And so I ended up overfeeding my plants. The plants' leaves started turning yellow, which means they're not getting all the nutrients they need, because if you have too many nutrients, if you over-fertilize too much, you actually run the risk of burning the leaves, keeping the roots from actually being able to uptake any of those nutrients. So that's why it's very important to have a balanced fertilization schedule. But if you have over-fertilized your plants, and you know that you've over-fertilized, like what I just said, then the best way for you to deal with that is to run water through your plant. And so water your plant more than you normally would. When that water starts running out, keep watering it. You want to get as much of that fertilizer out of there as possible. Just keep watering it. Let that water run out of there. And then after you do that, let the plant come almost to a complete dryness before you water it the next time. And then you can start your liquid feed after that, your constant liquid feed. Or if you used a granular fertilizer, you're going to want to hold off and start following the recommended fertilization schedule that you've decided to go with. But that's going to be the best way to take care of over-fertilization no matter what the plant is. Run water through it. Even if you had just recently watered your plant, run water through it, because chances are if your leaves are starting to show signs of not being able to take up those nutrients, it's not going to get any better until you get as much of that fertilizer out of the soil as possible. So that's my best advice for you guys. Run water through it. If you do that, your plant won't die. It might go through a little bit of stress for a little while, but get right onto the wagon and start fertilizing your plants again. If you guys have any questions for me, leave them in the comments. Give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Share with any of your friends who are going through some of these issues. It's very common in the plant community to end up over-fertilizing. It's very easy to end up doing too much of something, too much watering, too little watering. So those are things that we just have to learn in the gardening community, is that more is not always better. It's easy to end up over-fertilizing your plants. Don't feel bad about it. Just follow the advice that I've shown you, and you'll have no problems taking care of your plants in the future. Thanks so much for watching, guys.